Hello students, in the last video means the first part of this chapter we met Ravi, Mridu, Meena and a cat. They kept and fed the cat secretly because their grandmother did not like it. Now we are going to read the summary of next part of lesson 7. The summary which I am going to provide you is of the paragraph which starts from the screeching on page number 52 to Varit Pati on page number 54, which is on the right side of the page, that is on page number 54. Now in this part of the lesson you will meet Lalli, who was learning to play violin. His music master, who is bald without hair, means he wears a gold chain and a diamond ring. He played a few notes. Lalli stumbled behind him on her violin, which looks quite helpless and unhappy in her hands. The music master's notes seemed to float up and settle perfectly into the invisible tracks of the melody. Ravi tells that Lalli does not know how to play violin. He compared her music to the wheels of a train fitting smoothly into the rails. After that, a beggar comes and cries, "Amma, Amma." Ravi sent the beggar away, cried his mother from the back veranda. He has been coming here every day for the past week. Ravi tells him that it's time you found another house to beg from. "Go away," said Ravi very sternly. Rukumani said that we have nothing left in the kitchen to give you. When Ravi said, "Go away," the beggar opened his eyes very wide and gazed at each of the children one by one, because the beggar wants to take rest under the tree. There was a neem tree in their garden. The beggar set up there. The beggar set up there because he does not have sleepers. The sun is so hot, the tar has melted on the road. He stretched out his feet to show large pink peeling blisters on the soles of his bare feet. Then the children decide to give him sleepers. They think, whose sleepers will get fit in his feet? And they think he doesn't have the money to buy chappals. So they go to find the sleepers for him in the house. Then they give music master's sleeper to him. Ravi said, "Wear this and don't come back." The beggar stared at the sleepers, flung his towel over his shoulder, pushed his feet into them and gave blessing to the children and left from there. After some time, he comes out and starts searching for his sleepers. He asked Lalli, "Have you seen my chappals, my dear?" Pati said, "Where could they be? It's really quite upsetting to think someone might have stolen them. So many vendors come to the door." Now, I am going to give you some hard words. Read and learn them. I repeat, read and learn. Do not write in the notebook. So here are the words. First, screeching. Second, grunted. Third, concentration. Fourth, gleamed. Fifth, blister. Sixth, blubbering. Seventh, scurried. And eighth is veranda. Okay students, these are some words that you need to learn. Okay, just learn and read them. Now students, we have completed our half chapter. In the upcoming video we will complete our full lesson. Till then, please read the chapter carefully and please learn these spellings properly.